Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader and explorer. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro JPY, Euro Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro JPY in front of us right now. And as you can clearly see that I have added few lines on the chart. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of Euro JPY and what are the best trading opportunities for us. First of all, let me talk about the trend of the market here. Couple of days ago, weeks ago, market was in very strong uptrend. We had a sharp bull run on Euro JPY. After that, market went into some correction, but ultimately it turned out to be a trend reversal. You can see that we have a complete trend reversal on the chart of Euro JPY. Therefore, this up run on the market is no longer valid, and we should only consider this particular portion of the market, that is the present trend. And what is the present trend? The present trend is towards the downside. And as we all know, the thumb rule of the market is follow the trend. It means that if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And undoubtedly, Euro JPY is in downtrend. Or in simple words, number of sellers are much higher in comparison to number of buyers. As a result, if you take a sell position on this chart, that you are on the safer side. That's it. So now the next question comes, where we should take the sell position and which is the best trading opportunity. For that, you can see that I have drawn two lines here. These two lines are like a channel here. You can see market is trading in a downward channel right now. This channel at the bottom is acting as a support, whereas this channel at the top is acting as a resistance for the market. So this is the support and this is the resistance. But considering the trend of the market, considering the high number of sellers in this market, it is always better to take a sell position at the resistance instead of taking a buy position at the support. Clear? So this is the resistance, and you can see that I have also drawn the Fibonacci retracement levels. You can see we have this Fibonacci retracement level at this 130.50, and this is also a resistance from the weekly chart. Okay, so at listen to me carefully, at 130.50 we have a resistance from the weekly chart. At 130.50 is also the Fibonacci retracement level. Therefore this makes 130.50 is a very crucial resistance for Euro JPY. And you can see that at this particular portion of the chart here, we have a triple resistance: Fibonacci, then this weekly resistance plus the trend line. Okay, so if market goes up and reaches this particular point here, then definitely it will be a very sweet spot to take a sell position. So my dear friends, I'll suggest that in the chart of Euro JPY, if you are looking for a very safe trading opportunity, then wait for a market to recover. When market will be reaching this particular level around 130.50, take a sell position. That's it. And if you want to take a buy right now, then I'll say that you can take a buy, but beginners and new traders, please trading like this. Experienced traders, that's a different story. You know how to manage the risk, so you can take a buy position. But new traders, please avoid taking a buy here and only take a sell position at this trend line or at 130.50. Okay, so hopefully you've understood. So if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.